This is the value of having a center stand. Now, how many have you? Are you used to using a center stand? Do you understand the technique?
I do.
Okay.
It's a lot of weight.
Talk us through it.
Okay. I'm going to take it off the side stand. Then I'm going to put the center stand down till it touches the ground. Grab both. Okay, so I'm already messing up.
You're already messing up.
Okay.
Well, you're not messing up. I'm just going to show you there's a better way.
I would love a better way.
Put the side stand down and I'll give you a little instruction.
Okay, side stands back down. All right.
Okay, many people lift a bike onto a center stand as Billy was illustrating.
I should have gotten on it.
However, if you're on like a Goldwing, and Goldwings have center stands,
Yeah.
you couldn't put a Goldwing up on a center stand that way. A center stand is built with a leverage point on it. See this? Okay, this is your lever point. So what you do is you put your right foot squarely on that lever point. You bring the bike up until you feel both of the pads of the center stand contact the ground. Then you stand on the lever point, putting all your weight on it. Like that.
Oh, wow. Okay. What a great lesson.
Yeah, and believe me, that'll save you a hernia and a lot of headache. Okay. So now we've got our bike on the center stand. We're ready to begin.
I'm really hoping Triumph comes out with center stands for the 400s.
Yeah, I bet you probably could get one for the street version.
Yeah.
Although I'm not sure that the Scrambler has a space for it, but yeah, it would be
a big,
valuable.
big change.
It would be valuable.
Yeah.